second alarm clock standby.
Clock mode.
Look at my watch. AM and the PM. This is a Bluetooth speaker. Come with a FM radio and the clock. Okay, this is the power button. Press and hold.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, Bluetooth mode. Okay, before that, we have to set the mode to the clock. This is M button for you to switch the mode. Okay, if you have TF card plugged in, okay,
TF card mode.
you will hear the sound TF card mode. So you switch again.
FM mode. Clock mode.
Clock mode.
Bluetooth mode. TF card mode.
Okay.
FM mode. Clock mode.
Okay, clock mode. Now what we want is clock mode. Do you notice that sometimes it go to the time and sometimes it go to another number? Okay, the number is for temperature, room temperature. Okay, can you see the Celsius here? After a few seconds, it change from time, then go to the room temperature. So don't bother about it. Let's start this how to set the time. Before we start, we must get more understanding what is this button for. This is a set button, and this is a right button and left button. So what we use only these three buttons. Okay, to get to know more about this set button, okay, there is no icon at the side here. Once I press here, there's one icon. It means that the alarm clock is standby. This number first icon for the alarm clock is standby, and this is a second alarm clock standby. If both icon display, means that both of the alarm clock is standby. After the first one finish, then it continue on, follow the second one. So I press again, go back to time. Okay, right now I want to set the time for this Bluetooth speaker. Before that, I must set the correct time for the current time. 1703. Okay, look at my watch. 0543. 1703 is 24 hours format. Okay, now I set to 0543 is 1743. You want to enter into this setup, you must press and hold this set button. You press and hold. Okay, when you blinking, okay, you can set the time. Say that right button, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, and you want to switch to the minute, you press once only. 04, so now I put to 44. Press and hold, you go faster. Okay. Okay, you press once again, it switch to the hour, minute. So you want to save, you press and hold. Now it's saving. Now we continue to set the first alarm clock. Okay, it's no icon here, so I press 1. You can see the first alarm clock icon display here. Okay, now I'm going to entering this first alarm clock for setting. So you press and hold, same as first one. Okay, what I want is I want to make it that 6 a.m. That means early morning, 6 a.m. I want to wake up. So I put to 6. The hour is 6. Oh no. Okay, it's 6. Okay. This is minute, 6 a.m. So press again. Okay, from here they have 5 types of these alarms sound. The number first one, number 2, type number 2, number 3, number 4, okay, number 5. Okay, go back number 1. So which one you want? Okay, I choose number 3. Okay, so I press the set button again. It switch blinking to this hour. This is minute. So you want to save it, you press and hold. Now it's saved. Now we entering to this second alarm clock. So you press again. This is a second alarm clock icon. So same thing, you press and hold. Okay, what I want is I want to wake up after the 6 a.m. I still cannot wake up, so I set to 6:30, the second wave to wake me up again. So I set to 6, and here I set to switch it here. Press and hold, you're faster. Okay, you press again. Same thing. Come to alarm sound. Okay, which one I want? Number 2. Number 3, number 4. Okay, I choose number 4. So press again. So I want to confirm, I want to save. I press and hold. 6 a.m. Now I save it. Okay, so I press one more time. If both of these icon display, means that okay, you're ringing, and after that continue. The second one, 6:30. Okay, so let me try and see how this work. Why not we try to do some experiment? Right now it's 17:50. I make it to 17:52. Okay, yeah. So first alarm clock. Okay, here I press and hold. $17. Okay, I'm back here. $52 or $51. Okay, I save. 50. So now we are waiting until this 51, 52. Okay, one more thing that you want to switch back to 12 hour, because right now it's 24-hour format. So how to set the AM and the PM? So we hold these two buttons. Okay, 12 hours. That means 12 hours format. You can see the PM here. Okay, you press and hold again. 24 hours format. Okay, 51. Right, I go back to AM. I prefer AM. Yeah. Okay, now we wait. Okay. It will allow louder and louder and louder. Okay. Now second time. Third time. Fourth time. Louder and louder. Yeah, it's become louder and louder. So, if you press any button, it stops.